Good morning, people. What's up? You know I'm there today. For audience location, people. I'm gonna see if we can find 2 barracuda. So stay tuned. We are do what's right. You know? See what I want.
Yeah, man.
Second time I dive on the location of people. We not like it, but we there, right?
The seasons come and go like thoughts of you. Like a wave returns to the sea, into the blue. They change but in a cycle that I can't lose. Each painful but delightful to live through. You came into my life just like another season. Not for long, just a time, just like another season. Maybe this time next year you'll reappear for no reason, but I'll cherish every day until you come my way this season. The seasons turn and change just like your mind. Like the sun gives into the moon, into the night. Time continues marching, it slowly crawls.
Yeah, man, so this spear gun them this, you know? Nice rifle, you know? Gears them up and running, you know? You ready?
You know.
Yeah, my peeps. Good morning, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Yeah, my peeps. I want to say, just continue to show your support, my peeps. Really appreciate the love. Yeah, man. So, I want to say, please remember to give the video a like, you know? Yeah, man. Remember to drop that thumbs up, you know? Also leave a comment. Yeah, my peeps. So you know, this morning, Sunday morning, my people, out here I make another link up. Yeah, man, at Run Wildlife Adventure. You don't know, they are out here see me with the team, Captain Spear, Nash, Omar, and another friend of mine also, you know. Yeah, man, so let's go right here now and show you what I go on. Yeah, man, introduce everybody, you know. Yeah, man, it's been a while. Regardless, it's been a while we don't go on the ocean, you know. Yeah, man, so we want to go out there this morning, my people, and see what we can actually catch this morning, you know. Yeah, man, so I'm just going to introduce you guys, you know, and you don't know after that, just want to journey along with us out in the ocean, you know. Yeah, my peeps. Yeah, man.
Already ready up, you know?
Now still peeps, so I go see what we can find this man. I don't know if the water goes away. I don't know if it's clear, but we are going to look. So. Catch you when we forward.
Yeah, man. Yeah, Omar, yes,
Let's be out there one more morning, give thanks to the Almighty God, carry us here that is here. Now we got here some nice fish.
yeah, man, Nash has to see him with my peeps. Yeah, man, spear gun them there already up. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, nice, lovely lady color, you know, pink. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, that is a gamble today.
Yeah. See it? Yeah, man.
Walk on. People, you know, see, audience last video, I go watch it. The man catch me in a 4K, people, full my belly, and lie down and sleep. And the man catch me like me crave for people, I go watch that video, then I go check it out. Yeah, man.
I want to say, yeah, one. Yeah, man, one spearfishing. dark. I'm gonna make today, boy. I want big chicken fish in the man. Along there, I don't see no big side. You gone, man. Jetty! Jetty! Go here! No man for shot for second this one here. No man for second this a rainbow here. No man. I went two of them and no man for shot the second one. No man, I go one go. now. You know what I mean? As you guys see, it's not a perfect day, you know. Visibility no good, none soil, water dirty, bad, you know. But at least we still catch something, you know. Still catch me dinner with peeps. You know, catch a nice rainbow runner. Yeah man, as I see. We'll make a couple of drop on the edge over there and try see if we could catch anything else. If anything could have swim my direction, but was unsuccessful, you know. But still give thanks to the little one we catch, like me say. Still catch me dinner, you know. Yeah man, so run no catch nothing this morning, you know, just Nash catch 2 jack, you know. Yeah man. So I just go right here now and show no the catch. And Captain Spear no catch nothing as well. Yeah, well Omar still out, them you know him catch as yet with people. But I just go right there now and show no my catch plus Nash catch and the other rest of guys them catch, you know.
Alright people, no that today, but honestly, water visibility is bad. When I tell you say bad, be a jellyfish bite me up. No man, be a jellyfish bite me up peeps, but
yeah man.
Nevertheless we can't complain, it was a good day out with the crew, so at least we enjoy ourselves, you know? Yeah. Don't know. Big up, remember to like, share and subscribe people and hit the post notification bell. Out.
Yeah man, so yeah, one there.
Yeah guys, come out of the water safe and sound. Water never did so great or anything, but I will manage to find a little, you know, rise top.
Yeah, you know, nice drop.
That's it.
Yeah man.
So just there and go and clean up and thing, that's it. Until then, you know.
So yeah my peeps, this is my little catch this morning. Nice size rainbow runner, you know. Yeah man, it's a lovely one. Yeah man, can't come on. Yeah. Yo. Eh? And it's a lovely one to peep, you know. Nice Sunday dinner, you know. Yeah, my peeps, nice one. Done yellow after now, just to cut him up. Yeah, I don't know. I'm sure it's dropping up. I look peeps to see how I drop. Yeah man. I eat with peeps, you know. So I want a Sunday dinner, you know. Yeah man, so slice him up, you know. Yeah man, lovely Sunday dinner. So basically I just sit that, you know. Nobody else will get nothing on, you know. Yeah man, so I'm going to pop up the gears you know, with peeps and just hit home, you know. Get the pot up and running, you know. Yeah man, so just stick and stay. I'm going to go out and catch and cook with that one, you know. So the video I go continue, you know. Yeah, peeps. So yeah my peeps, yeah man, so I reach home now and like I say, I go on that one catch and cook with the rainbow runner. Yeah man, so basically that I go on with. I already know I'm cut up the fish from seaside already. Yeah man, so have me seasoned them yes already. Well cut up already. Yeah man, I'll go flour here, you know man. So you know me I go on with a French fry. Yeah man, some French fry fish and white rice in the idea, yeah? Yeah man. Yeah man, so pot hot up in oil. That's it, you know. Now me have to add my scotch bonnet pepper to it fat, you know. Yeah man, so let me oil go and hot up here now, you know. Yeah man. And then oil hot, you know. Yeah man, get my fish them well flow up my peeps. Come on, fish them golden brown, you know. Well fry up the peeps. Beautiful. The last set this you know. Make up the sauce you know with people, you know. Give them vegetable and season them and stir fry, you know. Yeah, my people, I'm gonna make my sauce, you know, eh? It's a real sauce. I just kind of make a pre-sauce with kind of cook down the veggies to season them a bit, you know. Yeah, man, so the season can taste like sauce, you know. Just add a little seasoning, like just say, you know, browning. And little barbecue sauce, you know. Yeah, man, and you want the real taste, you just add a spoon of sugar, you know. Alright, there you know, add a spoon of sugar to it. And so me add just a little spoon of sugar to it. Man, nice sauce this, you know. Rice pot for running, you know. I mean, everybody knows to cook rice, so you don't know. On your shot, you know, peeps. Yeah man, so rice pot a bubble up you know. Yeah man. So that yeah, that, you know. Like that, you know. Finishing like that, you know. Yeah man, alright, they say there, you know. Yeah man. Boasty. Yeah man, so basically I just eat that. So just a little short, you know, cook up. Yeah, nothing too boasty, my peeps. Yeah man. So please remember to like up the video, you know. Yeah man, and leave a comment, peeps. Yeah man, really appreciate the love. Yes, so until then, meet up over in another adventure, you know. Yeah man, so turn on the post notification bell so you will be notified when the next video upload. Yeah man, peace out.